everybody, I hope you're all doing so well today. Happy 13th of December. If you don't know me, I never do this intro by the way, which is why I want to start doing it, because there are a lot of new people on my channel. So if you don't know me, I'm Roxanne and I am the owner of this channel. I do a variety of beauty videos, vlogs, fashion videos, self-care and well-being videos, all sorts of good stuff happen on this channel. And I just want to add that in there because my channel has grown so much. So welcome all to my new subscribers. Like, thank you so much for supporting my channel, and obviously my OGs, my subscribers that have been with me since the very beginning and beyond. Thank you so much for your continuous support. I really do appreciate it. But anyway, today okay, let's rewind. So I was meant to video and upload my Vlogmas videos. So I did film a load of video content and I was editing them, and I just don't like it. Like, nothing about it was festive, nothing about it was exciting and Christmassy, apart from me putting up my Christmas tree. And that's because obviously I work a 9-to-5 job. It was more like, it's been more like an 8 to 11 job, meaning 8 AM to 11 PM. It's just been so busy, and in that time I've just not been able to do anything really festive and really kind of fun filled and making everyone feel a bit merry and bright, you know. So I've actually decided to completely scrap all the footage I've done to date and start today, and I'm going to be doing a 12 days of Christmas video content. So some videos will be a little bit longer, so they'll be like vlogs. Other videos will be like baking, like gingerbread men, that sort of thing. And then we'll do some beauty videos, so like makeup tutorials. And also I want to do 2 advent calendar videos. So today I'm going to be showing you day 1 to 12 of my Cult Beauty advent calendar. This has been highly requested on my Instagram, and because I've been doing like some videos here and there on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I will link my @ here and, you know, here. Definitely go and follow, because you kind of find out a lot more on there before it comes on here. But yeah, there's a lot of sneak previews, a lot of kind of more about me, I think, and kind of what I'm getting up to in the day, festive content as well. And you'll see all my makeup looks on there before they come onto my YouTube channel way before anyway. So yeah, that is the plan. So I'm going to be doing a 12 days of Christmas. Obviously it's 12 days until Christmas, so you will see this video today, although there is already a video that's gone up today, which is my self-care Sunday video, so go and give that a watch as well. I'll link it above. But this will be all about the start of a festive journey. To be honest, I have opened this already and it took me about 40 minutes to remember which product goes in what tray. But there are a few I actually haven't seen yet, because I'm missing day 9, is it day 9 to 12 that I haven't opened, and that's because I've been just so busy. So I thought I would open them and get the surprise on camera, but also show you the products and yeah, all that good stuff, because you guys have asked for it. So let's just jump in, because I do like to talk. You already know. I was going to put my antlers on, maybe in a makeup video, or my Santa hat, maybe in the next video. What also comes with this is a little booklet. Now, this just explains what each of the products are. It doesn't actually tell you what day they come out of, so it's always a nice surprise still. But I've refrained from looking at this because I like it to be a surprise. And I know that there's a lot of videos out there that go through the whole advent calendar. To be honest, I haven't looked at them, because I also, again, I like to open this, or try to open this every day, and have that surprise element as well. So I thought, instead of ruining the surprise for people, if you do have this, I know it was really hard to come by. I was very fortunate to buy this and get it quite quickly, and I know that they sold out really quickly. What I liked about Cult Beauty this year, I did try to get it last year, but I missed out massively and I was devastated. So I was adamant I was getting this. So I was waiting for that email to drop to say it was available. But they also are giving a percentage of, I think, what this advent calendar is worth, or like £15 of every advent calendar sold, to a charity, which I think is so lovely, and that's what made me want to buy it more as well, because there is also that giving back. So yeah, well done Cult Beauty. Also, so far, loving it. But let's jump in. I also love how this looks. I think you can definitely repurpose this. For me, will I buy this again next year? I don't know, but what I could do is just repurpose all the boxes and kind of refill them myself and do like, use it for competitions or something like that. I don't know. I haven't thought of it yet, but I'm thinking that that might be quite a nice idea. But anyway, so door number 1. We have, which I have already been using this by the way, because I do love this product. I'm going to leave them out like that. We have the Voltairy Feed Your Skin Super Seed Oil. And this is a fragrance-free 50ml. So a lot of the products within this are full size, which is incredible. And this is beautiful on the skin. I'll read you a bit of information about it. This boasts a replenishing medley of 22 seed oils to nourish and boost elasticity. I mean, I need this. Getting older. I'm getting older, we know this. But I am really loving this. You'll actually see this in my self-care video today. Love this. I've got it on today underneath the makeup. It looks so lovely. Actually, all I have on today is this, a little bit of concealer, some blusher and some highlight, and my lipstick. And that is my makeup today. This is really lovely on the skin, and I would highly recommend it. I've actually never heard of Voltairy before, which shameful as a beauty YouTuber, but it's a beautiful product, and yeah, loving that. It's actually quite fun to reopen these, I've got to tell you. Number 2, I've also used this product as well. This again is also in my self-care video this morning, and it's the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Triple Detox Shampoo. This is actually really nice. To be honest, is it good? I'm not quite sure. Like, it builds up really nicely on the hair. My scalp does feel clean. What this does is it kind of helps remove any excess product, or if you've got harsh water, which I do here where I live in Berkshire, the water is really quite harsh, so it's quite nice on the hair. I've not really seen too much of a difference between this and my regular shampoo, but I've only used it once, so I can't say whether it's amazing or not, but I think I will consistently use this until I've used it up, just to see what it's like. But it was quite nice to use. It made my head tingle a little bit. Whether that's meant to happen, I don't know. But yeah, there is this. Day 3. Where are we? At the bottom. Oh, also use this. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush, and in the shade Luminous Flush. I am obsessed with Hourglass packaging. Let me tell you, I can now get rid of this box because I've done this video. But look at this. It's so pretty. It's very reflective, very sleek. What's really nice about this is that it's very, very blush pink. I think it will suit a lot of skin tones, which I love. I think that's a problem with a lot of products, is that they don't suit everyone. So when you have a advent calendar like this, you need a product that no matter what your skin tone is, this could suit you. So that's why I think it's quite daring to put a blusher in any advent calendar, along with lip products as well. I don't know if there's any lip products in here yet, I haven't got to that, but yeah, they've done a really good job with choosing this, and it's such a luxury product. Like, Hourglass is actually a really expensive brand. Personally, I think it's quite an expensive brand. So yeah, super excited about this and super excited to get using it more. It is a nice pink. Number 4, here we go. Haven't tried this yet. Haven't even opened this one yet. So this is the Oskia London Liquid Mouse Lactic Acid Micro Peel. I've never used this. I've heard of the brand, but I've never used the brand before. This is what the product looks like inside the packaging. It says use 2 to 3 times a week at night. Apply to clean skin. Leave on for a few minutes and follow with your usual nighttime routine, or wash off after 10 to 15 minutes. I actually might try this could give this a try tonight maybe. Okay, this is actually a full-size product. Ideal ahead of special events, this mask gently eliminates dulling dead cells. I'm not really going anywhere, so maybe do it to see what happens. Does it make your skin peel? I don't know, might need to do some research on that. But it sounds exciting. It sounds like it would be really rejuvenating on the skin, getting rid of any dead skin cells. So quite excited about that. Again, full-size products. I don't think the Hourglass one is a full-size product. No. So this is the travel size, and Living Proof. That's also, the shampoo's also a travel size. So maybe I should read this to let you know if it's full size or travel size. We're on day 5. Here we go. So day 5 is the Verso Eye Cream Extra Nourishing. I actually used this in my self-care video as well this morning. This is actually a really nice eye cream. I've used this for a few days now, but is it amazing? I don't really know yet. I've not seen too much of a difference in comparison to my standard eye cream, but it is really nice on, gentle on the skin, easy to kind of rub in. Also, it does melt into your skin as well. Let me find out about this one. Okay, this is a full-size eye cream, which is great. This is a 20ml. This cream works to fortify delicate skin and protect from external aggressors. So that's that. Day 6. Day 6 we have the Herbivore Prism AHA Exfoliating Glow Serum. Very cute bottle. This is a 10ml. And I don't know if this is full size, I doubt it is. It doesn't actually say, but this is a cocktail of plant-derived acids. This purges your pores as it dials up the brightness. Actually probably quite nice. I will give this a try for sure. I'm excited to use this. Now I know that it does that. I actually haven't really read much about this product, of course not. But it sounds exciting and I think the bottle's quite cute. So there's that one. Apparently everything in this advent calendar is worth £930, which I think is incredible. The cost of this is £199, so yeah, it's good. Number 7. Where are you at, number 7? Right, so number 7 we have the Marlin and Goetz. Is that how you pronounce it? I'm sorry if I've got that wrong. Vitamin B5 and body moisturiser. And I'm assuming this is travel size, because if it's a body moisturiser it can't just come in a 30ml tube. Yeah, this is a travel size product. This conditioning lotion is perfect for softening dry, scaly limbs. Basically, if you've got drier skin, use this. No. Great for, I guess, when you like shave your legs and things like that and you get that natural dryness on your skin, or if you naturally have dry skin, this could be a good product for you. So I haven't tried it, but I will let you know on my Instagram. Again, we'll insert the link here. Go and give me a follow. I will definitely be reviewing these in more detail on my Instagram, and I'll probably incorporate them in different videos as well. Day number 8. I've actually seen this, but I've not used it. This is the De Memel Botanic Settle Sleep Series. I love that I've tried to pronounce that. I'm sorry that if that's completely destroyed what this is actually called. This is Settle Sleep Series. This is a 10ml bottle. This is actually full size, and it says in here, with its aromatherapeutic blend, this quickly calms an overactive mind. I was actually thinking this is more for Gary, like he really finds it difficult to sleep. Also days when I feel stressed, it might be quite nice to use this, especially from like work related stuff. So I definitely want to give this a try. I think Gary could definitely use this because he is a very light sleeper. He doesn't sleep too much, so it'll be good for him to obviously give this a whirl as well. And we can see if it works for us. It does say on the back, gently warm in your palms, cup your hands and cover your nose, breathe in deeply. Oh, sounds relaxing already, right? So there's that. Right, now we're getting on to products I haven't looked at. So number 9. Okay, Okay, so this is the Dr. Barbara Sturm Night Serum. I do need a new night serum. I've run out. This is, oh, it says on here, doesn't say if this is a full-size product, but it's a 10ml, so I'm assuming it's not. Supporting your skin's repair processes, this serum works to reverse the day's damage. That's actually quite exciting. I do want to give this a whirl. It's still in the cellophane. I will give this a try and let you know how I get on. Right, now number 10. This is grounds I've not seen now. Exciting times. Ooh. Okay, what's this? Get that out. Oh, exciting. Molten brown, delicious rhubarb and rose, bath and shower gel. I love a bit of molten brown. Gary's got this whole molten brown set. I think it's on my Instagram somewhere. And there's a bergamot and pepper, which I love, the masculine scents. I'm not a fan of rhubarb, so I don't know whether I'd like this, but I do love molten brown. So I'll either gift this to someone in my friends and family group, or I may give it a try and see if I like it, but if not, again, give it to my mum or something, because she'll use products I've opened. So there's that. This is a travel size as well. Molten brown's actually quite a large bottle, I think, normally. Pop that behind there. We're on day 11. Where is day 11? There we are. Ooh, oh, it's another little small thing. This is the 20% vitamin C Brighton and Firm Serum by Allies of Skin. Nice bottle, very summery. Let's see if I can find this. It doesn't say if this is a full size. This is 8ml, so maybe not. This high strength elixir diminishes dark spots to quickly restore uniformity. Can't pronounce it. Lovely. I get dark circles. Don't know if that will help, but this will be really great if you do maybe have darker patches. If you've got acne, scars, maybe it will help in that sense. And it might all round even your skin tone. So super excited to try that. And finally, day 12, because that's all we're going up to, although I want to open loads more. I'm going to open this. Oh, exciting. How nice is this bottle? So this is the Oleo para o Corpo Kaya Jungle Firming Oil, Costa Brazil. It's got a little bit of orange on it. How nice is that? That's a really nice packaging. Let me find this. Oh, here we go. This is a travel size. An indulgent skin nourishing trio of plant-derived oils. This leaves your skin wonderfully supple. Very excited to try this. I love a body oil. I'm all over the packaging as well. That is stunning. That is just such a nice packaging. And that's it. That's where we're at. That is day 12. And I will be doing another video from 13 to 24. Probably on Christmas Eve, because that's day 24. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful looking at day 1 to 12, and I hope this put you into some form of Christmassy spirit. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and I will see you next time. Bye!